but this is why I'm here. Drum roll. It's here. Yeah. I am so excited. I received my Red Iguana fake hand. Inside came with a little thank you card with a discount code and also an instruction manual on how to take proper care of your hand. Oh my god, it's squishy. Comes with the ring. That's so cute. Alright, let's open this. Sorry, I like freaked out. I'm like a really textured person, so when I felt that it was squishy, it just like totally freaked me out. I'm kind of scared. Excited and scared. Oh my god. So this is wow. Sorry, I'm not sick, but it's like early in the morning. And my house has been really cold, so my nose has been really stuffy. Oh my god, you can move it. Oh my god, I love it. You guys, compared to my fake hand, this is an improvement. And then that's what it looks like. Oh my god, it looks so realistic. It's like almost kind of gross because like I said, I'm a texture person, but I'm excited to try it out. That's dope. And there's like, it comes with a holder. I just didn't buy it off this website because I thought I was gonna get it off Amazon, but Amazon is actually out of stock until like the end of the month, but it's okay. I saw a nail tech on a Facebook group say that they used nail tips on the fake hand instead of purchasing the nail tips from the Red Iguana, and it works just the same. So I tried it out and it actually worked. I was surprised. It saved me some money. So just an FYI, you can actually use your tips since the cuticle goes in instead of purchasing the tips that they have on the website. What I like about this hand is that the nail beds, the nail size, it's really realistic. I use a size 5 on the index finger. And with the Amazon plastic hand, I use size 2 and 3, which are thumb sizes. So it feels like I'm really working on a person, and I like that. Right now, what I'm doing is just filing the tip, making sure it fits the nail. Then I'm going to glue them, then I'm going to cut them, then I'm going to file them again to a more tapered square shape. I want to talk about more about this hand and less of it a tutorial. So this hand overall was about $89. Another cool thing about Red Iguana is that they offer Afterpay, which is installment payments, 2 months, 4 payments, which is not bad. It took about 9 days for my hand to get here, which is not bad, especially with the whole Corona stuff going on. I know there's a lot of delay when it comes to shipping. Also, I got it in the color Lisa. I wanted to get a skin tone similar to mine. I don't know, I've seen some people on Facebook actually name their hands, so I'm gonna see if I can come up with a name for her, you know. It was actually really hard to file and work with this hand without the stand, so I do recommend either buying the stand on the website, or if it's stocked on Amazon, get it. Enjoy this ASMR moment. So I decided to do a clear, sparkly butterfly ombre. At the end, I also decided to only work with one finger just because it was really difficult controlling the hand without the stand. So you're gonna notice that I'm really shaky. My boyfriend actually made me so mad before shooting this, so I was so pissed. I was shaking like crazy. I placed 2 butterflies at the end, and you don't really need anything specific when it comes to placing butterflies. They kind of just stick on their own. Just make sure your brush is wet enough to pick them up. I'm using the color My Bitch Bad and Bougie. Dude, this color was so freaking cute. I loved it. What I noticed about working with Valentino products is that my nails don't come out as thick as when I use Mia's Secret. I'm not sure why. I just feel like Valentino, it kind of just butters its way down better than Mia's Secret. I don't know if that makes sense. I just feel that Valentino is easier to work with than Mia's Secret. Obviously, Mia's Secret is a really good brand to start off with as a beginner. I did the rest of the steps off camera. I capped it in clear, I filed it, I e-filed it, I top coated just because it was getting a little hard for me to hold it without the stand. Overall, without a stand, because obviously that's my fault, I do rate this hand a 10 out of 10. It is so much easier to work with than the Amazon fake plastic hand. The nails come out more realistic than the fake hands. Like I've said before, I feel like with the fake hands, my nails came out 10 times thicker.